in the form of quadratic equation. So first we have to frame the quadratic equation. First subdivision. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So they are asking you to frame the quadratic equation and to find the length and breadth. Solution. Here length is given 1 more than twice the breadth. So breadth is also unknown only, length is also unknown only. So we have to assume that let the breadth be x meter. Then according to the condition, length is equal to 2 times breadth plus 1. So length is equal to 2x plus 1. We know area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. Substitute length is equal to 2x plus 1. Breadth is equal to x equal to area is given as 528. 528. Now multiply 2x into x, 2x square. 1 into x, x. Bring this minus 528 to this side. Equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. To find the length and breadth, we have to do factorization. So 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is 1, constant term is minus 528 equal to 0. Now multiply 2 into minus 528. When we are multiplying, we will get minus 1058. While multiplying the factors, I should get 1058. When I am adding or subtracting, I should get 1. That is middle term. So what are the factors are? Minus 32 and 33. When I am adding the term, I will get plus 1. So now splitting the middle term and writing 2x square minus 32x plus 33x minus 528 equal to 0. From the first two terms, I can take 2x as common. So what are the terms left is x minus 16 plus from these two terms I can take 33 as common. So x minus 16 equal to 0. Now these two are common, that is x minus 16 take outside. So 2x plus 33 equal to 0. Here we can write x minus 16 equal to 0 and 2x plus 33 equal to 0. So x minus 16 equal to 0, x is equal to 16. 2x plus 33 equal to 0, 2x is equal to, bring this to this side, minus 33. X is equal to minus 33 by 2. Negative is not possible in the length. So we are not going to consider the negative value. Therefore, breadth is equal to 16 meter. Length is equal to, we have taken 2x plus 1. So 2 into 16 plus 1, 32 plus 1, which is equal to 33. Therefore, length is 33 meter. Second subdivision. The product of two consecutive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. So both integer only they have given. Consecutive means nearby number. So let the two consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. It is given in the question, product of the two numbers is given as 306. That is, x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Now multiply x into x, x square, x into 1 is x. Bring this minus 306 is equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. Now we need to factorize this equation. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So constant term is minus 306. When we are multiplying the factors, I should get 1. So what are the factors? 18 into 17 is 306. When I am subtracting, I will get plus 1. So I am splitting this middle term, x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. From the two terms, what I can take common is x. So x plus 18. From the rest of the two terms, I can take 17 as common. Minus 17 I am taking. So I will get x. Here minus I have taken. So plus 18 equal to 0. Now x plus 18 if I am taking, x minus 17 is equal to 0. So first case, x plus 18 equal to 0. Second case, x minus 17 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 18. Here x is equal to 17. Again it is given as positive integer. So negative is not possible. So what is the value of x is 17. The second value what we have taken is x plus 1 second integer. So 17 plus 1 18. Therefore the two consecutive integers are 17 and 18. Third sum. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years. From now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. So what are the things given here? Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him, it is given. And the product of their ages 3 years ago, it was given as 360. Solution. First we are going to consider what is the present age of Rohan. So let the present age of Rohan be x we are taking. Then mother's age will be, it is given as 26 years older than him. So mother's age will be x plus 26. And it is given after 3 years from now. So after 3 years, what will be the Rohan's age? Present age is x, means after 3 years Rohan's age will be x plus 3. Mother's age is x plus 26. After 3 years mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3. That is nothing but x plus 29. It is given in the question, product of their ages is 360. So product of their ages is 360. That is x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Now multiply, normal multiplication, x into x, x square, x into 29, so 29x. Here 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 29, 87 equal to 0. Now x square, here two x terms are there. One is 29x, another is 3x. So when I am adding, I will get 32x plus 87. When I am bringing to this side, I will get minus 360 equal to 0. Now when I am simplifying, x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. Now we need to factorize this equation. Coefficient of x square is 1. So multiply 1 into this constant term minus 273. When I am adding or subtracting, I should get the middle term, that is 32. So factors are 39 into 7 will give you 273. When I am subtracting this, I will get 32. So x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equal to 0. From the first two terms, take x as common, x plus 39. From these two terms, taking 7 as common, so I will get x minus I have taken outside, so it will become plus 39 equal to 0. Now x plus 39, x plus 39 taking common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. First case, x plus 39 equal to 0. Second case, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 39. Here x is equal to 7. We are finding the age. Age cannot be negative. So negative is not possible. Therefore, we are taking x is equal to 7. That is, present age of the Rohan is 7 years. Fourth subdivision. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So what is the distance? Is 480 km. If the speed has been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So it is given, distance is given as 480 km, and they have given the speed has been 8 km less when it takes 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So we are having two cases here. Solution, first step, what is that given? Distance traveled is equal to 480 km. We are taking first and second case. Here speed is not given, so we are taking the speed as x km per hour. time taken is equal to, this is formula, distance by speed. Distance is 480, speed is x. So time taken is equal to 480 by x. Second case, when the speed decreases by, that is less, so decreases by 8 km per hour, what will be the speed? X minus 8 km per hour. Here distance is the same, 480 in both the case. So time taken is equal to 480 by x minus 8. It is given in the question, it takes 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. 480 I can take common outside. So 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now take LCM for this part. We will get x minus 8 into x. Just cross multiply and write x minus, inside the bracket x minus 8 is equal to 0. Next step, x minus, when I am taking this negative I will get minus x, minus and minus I will get a plus 8. So 480 x minus x plus 8 divided by denominator, when you are multiplying you will get x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Now x and x you can cancel. 480 into 8 divided by x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Now 480 into 8 divided by x square minus 8x equal to 3. Bring this denominator, cross multiply, where 480 into 8 is 3840, which is equal to 3 into x square minus 8x. Now multiply 3 into x square, 3 into minus 8x, so minus 24x. Now rearrange the equation, 3x square minus 24x, when I am bringing this to this side I will get minus 840 equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. Now this equation is nothing but factors of 3. So we can divide by common factor 3 in all these x square, x and constant term. When we are dividing and simplifying we will get x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is minus 8, constant term is 1280 equal to 0. Now factorize minus 1280, when we are factorizing 32 into 40. Here I want to get minus 1280 and middle term is minus 8x. So when I am adding and subtracting I should get minus 8. So I am putting minus 40, then only I will get minus 8. Therefore 32 into minus 40 are the factors. X square plus 32x minus 40x minus 1280 equal to 0. Now from the first two terms take x as common, x plus 32. From the next two terms I can take minus 40 as common, so x plus 32 equal to 0. Now x plus 32 I can write it as common, so I will get x minus 40 equal to 0. First case x minus 40 equal to 0. Second case x plus 32 equal to 0. X is equal to 40. Here x is equal to minus 32. Here we are finding the speed. Speed cannot be negative. So x is equal to 40. That is the speed of the train is equal to 40 km per hour. Second, speed is equal to